Okay, today is August 7th, 2024. We have a few minutes for the markets to open. I'm a bit late to the charts. I'm going to try to go over my levels, but I'm not trying to rush. Today we have a 1 o'clock 10-year bond, and then also we have a 10:30 gas or crude oil or oil news at 10:30. This look light, but this 1 o'clock one might be very big, even though it's not showing up massive here. Typically around, like I said, around 1:30, 1:30, we got a nice price action movement. So this might be concerning. So I'll be looking for that. Um, so as I'm going over my levels, I'm just trying to figure out what exactly price is doing. I don't see any strong buying except for this here. This level still stands true to me. I did mark this. Go to the 30-minute chart. That's how it's supposed to be, actually. I was marking it on the hour. Alright, so I do have a level here for buying, and then I don't have anything else. I don't have anything for selling yet. This is just the regular trading hours. I'm going to clear this one up a bit, and same thing with NQ. I do have this area here for buying. We did reach the at 18,435, 18,435. So here we did reach Friday's low and bounce off of it yesterday. And same thing. NQ did the same exact. ES did the same exact thing. So right now, my main area of concern is this here where we have some strong selling. And I'm looking at ES and then also NQ. This is the highest volume that we have. So if we come up here, I definitely would like to see some selling come up. So this is probably the level that I'll be looking for throughout the day, because we're kind of heading towards there now. So maybe we'll have like a false buy attempt where price actually sells off. So I like to see price poke his head, try to poke his head through, and then end up dropping. Same thing with ES and NQ. So they're kind of like in the same range. Looking for those gaps to be filled. Alright, so let's go. We can get rid of this, and then we'll go to our regular standard continuation time frame. See what we can find. So here we have selling and selling, which is not what I'm looking for. We have buying right here, but I'm not sure how much I can trust this here, but I'm gonna mark it because for buying look like it initiated on the 30-minute, and we have selling, selling, and buying. So so it's kind of like in the weirder spots for these price action to be 16. All right, so let's see what. All right, so like I said, very weird spots for this price action. So I'm gonna see what I can make of it going into strong buying, no continuation. So we'll see if we can reject this area here. Let's go back this way. Alright, so let's see what the 5-minute is telling us. Or actually, this first buying came through. Now it's like how can I make sense of it? Because this is a continuation of volume. Like this is a lot of volume that's just been happening a lot in the overnight session. So it's kind of hard to read. Let's see what I can see on 1 minute. Is there any volume that sticks out? So the 1 minute I don't have any volume that sticks out. We do have something right around here. We have some strong volume. The price bounce off of. So I'm gonna mark this area. This price did move up. If it did nothing, it moved up. So I'm gonna mark. Yeah, I'm gonna mark this area here. So this price bounce and moved up. I'm more so focused on this, and also definitely up here. So I don't have any volume in here for me to really consider this area, but I have volume from over here for this one where it's actually bought. So and then looking at 15-minute to see what I can make of it. Alright, so let's do NQ, and I'm practically almost done. NQ. It's kind of hard to read, but it's kind of like in the same area. I don't know where price bounce off of, so we'll see how price reacts when it comes to it. But I'm not holding my breath. Okay. Alright, so let's look at VIX. Alright, so VIX is going down to a level. If VIX bounces, ES should drop. I'm gonna mark this area here. Alright, so we have that. Yeah, price can bounce off of this. We should definitely see a stronger sell-off in the market. Those are the levels that I got. And we did off here. How does that little sell-off look like with ES? And that's actually where we bought, so interesting. Alright, so that's where I'm basically at with my levels. And look for, let's look 526625. 526625. It's way down here. I'll leave it for now, and then I'll do it in Q, and then that'll be it. Those will be basically my levels for now. Yesterday that buying looked a lot cleaner. Actually, I just added this set. Where price was bouncing and buying, could have bought there, but it didn't make sense to me then. Made sense to when I did the overnight review. Today is the 7th, right? That's fine. Alright, so this is where it's at. I'll leave that there. Alright, so that's basically, those are basically my levels. I'm not going to throw too much of a fit on trying to get everything perfect. We do have news at 10:30, and then I'm not even gonna draw these. I haven't been really using them as much. It's just too much information on my charts. I do like how it bounced here, but still too much information on my charts, and where I'm catching volume makes much more sense. Alright, so that's it for me today. I will back in the, that's all for me for the morning. I'll be back in the evening for my post-market review. Alrighty.